crunchy or soft. D is for donut, chocolate or frosted on top. Sing with me from A to Z. Tasty foods for you and me. Clap your hands, dance around, let's learn letters with yummy sounds. E is for eclair filled with cream. F is for french fries, crispy dreams. G is for garlic bread, cheesy delight. H is for hot dog, take a big bite. Sing with me from A to Z. Tasty foods for you and me. Clap your hands, dance around, let's learn letters with yummy sounds. I is for icing on cupcakes, oh hide. J is for jalapeno popper, spicy surprise. K is for Krispy Kreme, donuts so round. L is for lasagna, layers abound. So yummy, let's sing some more. M to Z, here we go. M is for muffin, fluffy and light. N is for nachos, cheesy and bright. O is for onion rings, crunchy and fun. P is for pizza, grab a big one. Q is for quesadilla filled with cheese. R is for rolls, soft as a breeze. S is for sandwich, stacked up high. T is for tacos, give them a try. U is for upside down pineapple cake. V is for vanilla ice cream on a milkshake. W is for waffle syrup so sweet. X is for extra cheese pizza, what a treat. Y is for yummy pies, big or small. Z is for zesty fries, let's eat them all. Now we know from A to Z. Tasty foods for you and me. Sing it loud, sing it right. The alphabet is such a delight.